Hi, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my review for Courage by Jon Renau in the color 42730. I literally just taken it out of the box. I haven't even tried it. So it's basically like an unboxing review, if you like. So the hair is really soft. Yeah, it does feel really soft. It's lovely. Um, it's a complete hand-tied cap. You have a mono top and a lace front that you need to trim. You have silicone polyurethane strips where you just need to add the adhesives to it if you want to. You also have these strips at the back, so it helps to adhere to your head. You have some up here as well and across the mono top. So really lovely. It's very lightweight. So it comes in a box like this, really well packaged, a leaflet and a hair guide. The cap size apparently is petite average. So we will see how that fits my 21.5-inch circumference. Yeah, so we will see. So love the color. Really gorgeous. Right, let's put it on. In case you are wondering, this is Yara and Sandy Blonde R by Ellen Villa. Let's try this one on. Obviously, she's been in the box, so she will need a little bit of a TLC. So let me just comb her through. So obviously she is set in her way. But that's what she looks like. It feels like I have nothing on. That's first of all I need to tell you. It's so lightweight. So let's see how she fits. It is strange not to have any kind of adjusters. It might on a 21.5-inch, so on me I do have a flat back of the head though as well. It does feel slightly big, so I think I would want to use some adhesives just to feel like she's secure. Because I mean, if I move it round, yeah, she does move a little bit, and I bet if once I cut the lace front off, it will feel even more loose. So I do think I will need to put some adhesives on. But it doesn't feel like she's flying off, but it fits a bit loose. Mid-length bob. Little bit of layering in there, not much. The lace front. So I think that's really well done actually. I might want to pluck it a little bit more and obviously find the part. So let's see what that part looks like. I mean, obviously I have some hair growth underneath. So let's see. So that's what it looks like. But I will style it later. She sits a little bit on my ears. So this measurement here on me is quite long. So always check the measurements very carefully. But gosh, she's light. Yeah, it feels like I have nothing on. It's beautiful. I mean, there is not much gapping. So density, it's definitely low density. You can tuck it. It's 100% Remy human hair, and it's really soft. It's like you want to run your fingers through. Really quick overview review really of this style, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope it became a little bit clearer of what Courage is all about. So have a lovely day. If you like this, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't done so, please follow me on Instagram at KWestWigs. Have a lovely day. Bye.